Doge. Hey guys, this is Chris coming at you with another video. Today is a seasonably warm January day, 37, 38 degrees. I'm going to do a cold start on my mud tractor. Here's a little sneak peek. Yep. Got her all hooked up. But here I'm going to just do a real quick cold start for you guys. So here we go. I've not started this. I just charged the battery. So here we go. Alright, so she started up first try. I didn't even have to choke her or anything. She is a great little machine. But I do not have it pulley swapped right now. I put back on the old pulley. You can see that in there. I have the stock pulley on there right now because the forecast was supposed to get some snow. And in the next video, you'll see that I have a snow plow for this, and I'm going to be getting it ready for the snow. And yeah, so I still need to fix up that little, because they're uneven. You can see over there. I need to fix the bumper up. Just gonna hack it off right there. If you're wondering why I had to cut this so short. My plow, I have like a hand thing, you know, like it moves the plow. So yeah, this was my cold start on my Craftsman LT1000 mud tractor. Signing off.